Okay, hi there, Brian. Yeah, in this video series, I want to show you how to edit your HTML files. So on my desktop, I have these HTML files here for this site that I'm building, and I want to edit them in my HTML editor. So this is the site. If I come here and double click on the index HTML file, it will open up in my browser. So this is the site for Infinite Marketing Solutions. So you can see these are test texts and you would need to replace them. So in this video I want to show you how you can replace this text, right? So also what I'm going to be showing you is to change the images once the template is uploaded. So I have my let's go to this page. So like here, for example, there is a video and it's not showing up because it needs to be live in order for it to show up. And I'm going to be showing you also how to change the text for this video and put in your own video, right? So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to open up my HTML editor. I'm using Expression, Microsoft Expression. So I'm going to open up my file here. Okay. Need to open my index file. Okay. This is the file I need. So if I open my index file, start with that one. My index file, I think the div tag that we're interested in is the one for the, okay, like here for example, when we look at the pictures, when we look at the pictures, how you can change the pictures. This content, for example, is for the blog role. So you can also change this text here to any of your topics, right? This text here, you can change that. And then on the joiners, this is these three blocks at the bottom. Let me go to the home page. Okay, so these three blocks at the bottom here, joiner, subscription, information. So this is the tags here. You can change this info. So let's say you want to change that information there. You come in and type in what you want here. Okay, thank you. Okay, and if you save, I come to my browser. Okay, so this is the new text that I put in. Thank you. So you can edit this content without compromising the layout of your blog, right? You just have to make sure that you don't remove these tags. You leave the tags as they are, right? You can add in as much content as you want, so long you're within these tags. So yeah, the button, the more info button, what you do is you need to put like your reference where you want people to go when they click on more info. Like for example, we can have, so here it's a hash because it's in place of the, so here you can have your URL, http and slash and dot whatever the site is, right? and or whatever the link is. So you put your link there. Just want to put my hashtag back. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then so this is basically how you put in the content. There is that part of the introduction, yeah. This part, introduction. Okay, this is the content here, right? So you come in and you plug in your content where it says more info again. Yeah, you put in your ref that you'll be referring people to, right? And then let's open another page. With the one which has the videos on it. I think the home business, this one, yeah, let's open this one. So this one, the home business, let's look for the div tag here. Div tag that we want, this one here. See the one with the object. So object width 570, 321, movie, value. So this is the video. I took it from YouTube, right? And then embed source. And then you have your text, so you can put your text as well. So what you do here is, if you come to YouTube here, you just make sure that the parameters here that you have, can you see 570 width and the height and all this, you make sure you try and maintain these parameters. Okay, so if you are to come to YouTube here, right, so this is the code that I took, this one here. You just take it as it is, right? And so when you come to, like, when you open your videos in YouTube, I'm using a YouTube video because YouTube is, you know, it can play on most browsers and devices because they optimize the videos for easy viewing for people. So for you not to worry about formatting your video or whether it would play on some browsers or not, you just upload your video to YouTube, to your YouTube channel, and then you come here, right? You open the video that you want to embed, and you come to where it says share, and come where it says embed, right? I'm using the old code, right? If I go like this, this is now the new code you can use, right? And you just copy this, right? But this one, you can use it for HTML, right? So you come and copy this one, right? And once you copy that, you come here and just remember the parameters. Can you see this is width is 560 and 315? So you can change the parameters according to the ones that are in the template, okay? Because you don't want to distort the formatting of the template. So you just come here, and from where it says, if you look here, see object width. This is where the code starts, right? And it ends where it says object with a slash there. That's where it ends. So this is the code that is here, from starting from here, object width, right? So this is the code that you come and replace with that one, okay? So it ends here, right? This is where your code ends, and you're just going to come here and you're going to just right click and you paste that coding that we got from YouTube, right? So this is how to replace your videos. Now, if you want to change your images, the easiest thing you can do is you come to your images here, right? Now, all you need to do here is you look at the size of the image and the name, and you make an image with the same size and with the same name, depending on where you want to put it on your blog, right? So like this image here is having 312 times 325. That's the dimension, right? And it's written object 378913153 ping. You make an image with the exact same dimensions and the same name, same words, everything same, and then you come here and you just replace this one, right? So if you open your browser, the image you'll be replacing is this one here. This one right at the top. So whatever image you put with the same name and same dimensions, it will fit exactly same as this one, you see. So that's how you can replace your images. So all this work you can do it before uploading your site, right? And after you have put in the images that you want, so this one is 150, this one is also 150, this one is 300 by 300. So you come and replace these ones. These images are like these ones because you can see this one is 300, this one is 300 also, 300, 203. So the images you replace these ones with, you just make sure they're the same size as this one and also having the same one, the same name. And yeah, that's how you replace this thing. And like if you see this website, right, it's responsive to the, you see I have sort of like reduced the screen size, right? So it will act like this on a normal tablet or phone. You don't have to pinch and zoom in and all that. Can you see? It's a responsive site and you don't lose your formatting. Nice, neat format there, right? And can you see that? Okay, there's your search and you have your like. You can click here, you go to that, right? There's a video here, and the video also responds to the. Okay, so once the site is uploaded, right, everything becomes responsive and the video will play here. Okay, so basically this is how you would edit your HTML. Just don't mess up the tags, you know, these tags, the div tags, you know, this is your header tag and this is showing this is the closing of the header, right? And then this nav is your nav tag, your navigation, your home. So like with this one, you can like edit it like this. So can you see here? So this is where our video would be, okay? And then yeah, we have our text. So you can even edit from here, you know, make the changes from what you are seeing, okay? Like yeah, if you want to change this, right? Right click there. You can like hyperlink if you put your link here, right? Besides, you know, put the address here of where you want this to go. If it's a page that's in your like for example this subscribe form here, right? I can hyperlink this to this one is hyperlinked already to the subscription form. So if you are to sort of like, this one is already hyperlinked and you can do that for the rest of the other buttons. This one, yeah, it's not hyperlinked. So hyperlink. So I can link this to the page that I have here, which is talking about information. This one here, more info, right? And I just click OK, right? And same thing here, hyperlink, go to my page here. I just click more info, like, and then you can have like okay. So yeah, guys, this is how you would edit your HTML, using your HTML editor, and then you just upload everything to your site. Already you see this when you're writing, right? Can you see it's sort of like already it has been tuned. The formatting is already governed that you won't go outside these parameters. Okay, so template, very easy to edit, and yeah, play around with it. But before you start making any changes, the best thing you do is make a copy of this, right? And before you start playing around with it. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is how you edit your HTML. I'm not going to save these changes. So this is the site, responsive site, and pages, products, social media, graphics design. Then you can have your blog here, about us page, yeah, and you have your contact us page, right? So yeah, the only thing you need to do here on the contact us page is contact us, right? Okay, we want the code. The contact page, the only thing you want to change is this email here where it says mail to. So you want to just change this support@youremail.com. That's where you put your email, and this is where the info that will be filled on the form will go to. Same thing with the subscription form, where people subscribe. You put whatever here where you want the form to be mailed to, your email, your inbox, where you want to receive the info of people who will be subscribing to your page, right? So yeah, basically this is the basics, and this is the only things you would need to edit in your HTML files. So yeah, guys, just shoot me up with some questions. Don't hesitate. Check out my Facebook page, check out my YouTube channel, and yeah, we can talk. Subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching.